Hi, my name is Dion, and this is PUSS, and this is Edward, my grandson, and he decided to join the video. Smile. Say hi.
Hi.
He decided to join my video today. We ended up having a fun time. He spent the night last night. We ended up having a picnic for the 4th of July over at my son's work, and they had a jumpy house. They had all these games. They had food. We had just a wonderful time. So he decided to spend the night, didn't you?
Yeah, and a fire.
Oh, and we got a fire outside. He wanted a fire, so we got a fire outside. We were going to go to the lake today, but we decided not to go. But we ended up going to Walgreens. It's really hot outside. But we ended up going to Walgreens, and we did a Walgreens deal. These are on sale for $5.49, $5.49, and $5.49. There's $1 digital for each one. You pay $21.95 before tax, and then $17.95, and then when you get a $5 register reward when you check out, so it's like $12.95 for all these. And then there's also a promotion if you buy, you can buy Dawn, you can buy other things, and if you buy 2 of these and 2 of these, but there's only $1 digital and $1 digital. You can also go to the P&G site, but if you buy 2 of these and 2 of these, you get $5 in P&G that prints out from the Catalina, plus $5 register reward. So that is a fantastic deal on that. I ended up having the 12 off of 20, or 12 off of 50, and then I had a paper booster that's 11 off of 50, so they both stacked. These were $3 a piece. There was the tea tree and the Vivid. They're $3 a piece, and then there's $2 manufacturer coupon digital. So you pay $4 or $4, but then you get $4 in register reward back, so it makes it absolutely free. You can also do the Tide the Crest too if you want to mix and match. So, and then they're also doing these are 4 for $9, and you can mix and match. The Tide Simply, the Bounce, the Unstoppables, and the Tide Simply. They're all 4 for $9, so I think that's a stock-up deal on these. And then there's also these Dawn liquids. They're $1.25, but then when you check out, it makes it, you get $1 register reward back. So it ends up making all these for like 97 cents for both of these, and that's a fantastic deal, so like 50 cents a piece. So that is a good deal. I bought this Oral-B. It's a small one, but there's $1 digital, and you get this like on the dollar side. And so I paid 9 cents for this. So, and it's got 30 picks in it. So I thought that was a good deal, and I thought that was a good deal to put in my booster. So if you like the Oral-B, and it's a good size to put in your purse. So that's a fantastic deal on that. And then I also bought 3 of these Olay again. And there are 2 for $13. There's a $5 digital, and then I ended up buying 3 of them, so I paid $19.50. I got $5 in register reward back, and then I submitted $2 and $2 to Ibotta. So I ended up getting like these for $5 for 3 of them. So that I thought was a fantastic stock-up deal too, guys. So, but that was my haul, and like I said, they're doing the Olay too. If you buy 3 Olay for $7 a piece, there's a $5 digital, and you can get $5 in P&G back and $5 in register reward back, and that's a fantastic deal. I ended up getting $25 back in Walgreens cash back. I ended up paying $40, I think it was $44 plus tax. I ended up, they forgot to take the $5 digital off, so I ended up getting everything, all this stuff for free. So I thought that was a fantastic deal. And you can't beat that, guys. And if I can do it, guys, you guys can do it too. And Puss is happy to be here. I did a live video the other day, but I don't know if it went through. So, but Puss is happy to be here. She gives it 2 paws up. And thank you, Edward, for joining. Say hi.
Hi.
And say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for tuning in. Say thank you for tuning in.
Thank you, Tin.
So thank you guys.
Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Thank you guys for tuning in. God bless you. Bye.